An intense and unusually early onset of winter has brought severe disruption to vast swathes of Norway, with the northern city of Tromsø bearing the brunt of historically heavy snowfall. The extreme weather event, driven by a powerful influx of cold, moist Arctic air, has forced road closures, caused significant travel delays, and prompted high-level weather warnings across the country. Meteorological authorities have described the conditions as a significant weather anomaly for mid-November, with certain regions experiencing snowfall totals typically observed only during the deepest part of the winter season. The event marks one of the most intense early-season snowfalls in recent history. The city of Tromsø, a major hub in Northern Norway known for its winter sports and the Northern Lights, has been virtually paralyzed. While accustomed to heavy snow, residents woke up to unprecedented scenes as the city was covered by dozens of centimeters of fresh powder overnight. Initial reports from local weather stations indicated accumulations reaching up to 72 centimeters, approximately 28 inches, in some areas by Friday morning. This figure represents the highest November snow accumulation recorded in the city since 2013, and is being reviewed as one of the most significant single-day snow events in the area in the last century. Public transport networks, including buses and air traffic at Tromsø Airport, experienced numerous cancellations and significant delays. Main roads became impassable for many vehicles, with snowdrifts complicating clearing operations. The sheer weight of the snow has put a strain on local infrastructure, prompting warnings about potential power outages and roof collapses in older buildings. The severe weather is not limited to the far north. The Norwegian Meteorological Institute issued an orange level warning, the second highest danger rating, for the coast and fjord districts of Helgeland and southern Salten, indicating an expectation of very heavy snowfall. In these areas, forecasters predicted local accumulations of 20 to 40 centimeters, 8 to 16 inches, of snow between Thursday evening and Friday afternoon. Authorities have urged residents to exercise extreme caution, allowing extra time for travel and ensuring vehicles are equipped with appropriate winter tires. Furthermore, western and southwestern Norway's mountainous regions are experiencing heavy orographic snowfall, snow caused by air masses being forced upward over mountain terrain. A cold, moist air mass moving in from the Norwegian Sea is consistently dumping snow in these higher altitude areas. Several major mountain passes have been temporarily closed to traffic due to dangerous conditions and the risk of avalanches. Meteorologists attribute the powerful weather event to an Arctic cold blast that has spread across Western Europe. A low-pressure system positioned over the Barents Sea is channeling highly moist polar air directly toward the Scandinavian peninsula. "We are seeing a perfect storm of conditions," noted Dr. Bernd Maurer, a meteorologist analyzing the situation. The sudden drop in freezing levels combined with persistent moisture means that what might typically be heavy rain is falling as deep snow, even down to sea level in some northern regions. The current weather events align with broader climate trends that suggest an increased frequency of extreme weather events, presenting new challenges for infrastructure management and disaster preparedness across the region. As the storm system moves through the weekend, conditions are expected to remain challenging. While the immediate danger in some northern areas may decrease slightly by Saturday morning, the accumulated snow presents lingering risks of ice formation as temperatures are forecast to dive further overnight. Local emergency services remain on high alert. The public is strongly advised to check road reports on the National Traffic Authority website and follow the advice of local transport operators before attempting any non-essential travel. The historic, early-season snowfall that buried Tromsø under up to 72 centimeters of snow on Friday caused severe travel disruptions and led to multiple minor traffic accidents across the region, officials confirmed. While no fatalities have been reported in the immediate area as a direct result of the road conditions on this specific date, authorities issued urgent warnings for hazardous travel. The primary impact of the snowfall was widespread traffic gridlock and immobilized vehicles rather than high-speed collisions. The combination of heavy, wet snow and rapidly freezing temperatures created treacherous black ice and deep snowpack conditions on unprepared roads. Local police reported a number of minor traffic accidents throughout the morning and afternoon. These incidents primarily involved vehicles skidding off icy roads, minor bumper-to-bumper collisions in heavy congestion, and trucks becoming stranded on inclines. No serious injuries or fatalities were immediately reported from these road incidents, likely due to low traffic speeds and high caution by most drivers following weather warnings. The volume of snow overwhelmed local snow removal efforts, leading to complete road closures. Major routes in and out of the city were blocked by stuck buses and trucks that were unable to move in the deep snow. Motorists were trapped in traffic jams for several hours in various locations. A more serious incident was reported on the nearby Skittenton Mountain on the island of Kvaløya, where a person was briefly caught in a snowslide/avalanche that measured approximately 40 meters wide and 150 meters long. The individual was able to free themselves and escape injury, highlighting the extreme instability of the snowpack in the surrounding mountain areas. In response to the deteriorating conditions, emergency services and local government bodies urged residents to stay home. "We have had a number of traffic accidents already along the roads here in the north," a statement from a local community page echoed police advice. "We strongly urge you to consider whether it is necessary to travel in traffic tonight. The weather is highly unpredictable and volatile." The local police and transport administration, Statens vegvesen, focused efforts on clearing major arterial roads and assisting stranded motorists, rather than managing a high volume of serious crash victims. The events of November 21, 2025, served as a stark reminder of the challenges posed by extreme weather events in Arctic regions, where the first major snowfall of the season often catches some drivers off guard, leading to national tradition for Norwegian drivers to skid off roads when the first snow falls. Meanwhile, the historic mining town of Røros, located in the mountainous inland region of Norway, experienced heavy and persistent snowfall throughout Friday, November 21, 2025. While the winter conditions caused significant traffic disruptions and required extra caution from residents, no major accidents or injuries were reported in connection with the severe weather. The snowfall began in the early hours of Friday, with a persistent and heavy accumulation blanketing the town and surrounding areas. The conditions, while not unprecedented for Røros, were a clear sign of the onset of a harsh winter. The combination of snow and wind led to reduced visibility, particularly on roads outside the town center. The fresh powder, combined with underlying icy patches, created hazardous driving conditions. Minor traffic incidents, such as vehicles getting stuck in snowbanks or minor collisions in heavy traffic, were reported. These incidents, however, were handled by local services and did not result in any significant injuries. Local authorities and the public were well prepared for the heavy snowfall. The local municipality had its snow-clearing teams mobilized early, and the majority of residents, accustomed to severe winter weather, took proactive measures by using winter tires and avoiding unnecessary travel. Unlike other regions that may be caught off guard by early season snow, Røros, with its history of extreme winter weather, has robust systems in place for snow removal and traffic management. The community's familiarity with such conditions contributes to a safer environment. Local drivers and residents are well versed in winter driving techniques and generally practice greater caution, which plays a crucial role in preventing serious incidents. Despite the heavy snow, the town's infrastructure, including roads and buildings, handled the conditions without major damage. While the snowfall on November 21, 2025, made travel challenging and required careful navigation, the town of Røros and its residents effectively managed the severe weather. The absence of major accidents is a testament to the community's preparedness and resilience in the face of challenging winter conditions. The main headline for the day was not a story of disaster, but one of a town embracing its winter identity while ensuring the safety of its inhabitants.